Hey, welcome to Hands on High Tech. Forgot to record the beginning to a couple of these videos, so I thought I would just make one in my chair. So here we are. I wanted to show you a couple things today. So like and subscribe below. Appreciate your support. And here goes.
So you want to feed this over quickly as you pull the sheathing off, because they start to fail out really quickly, and this doesn't have much buffer room. You just take this across, and then you need a good bit of pressure. And then this won't release. You have to push all the way through until it's done. And it leaves you a kind of funky looking. But what I did when I lined it up in here was made sure that the rounded part was on the back rounded part of the terminal, and then the flat part hit this and squishes it down the rest of the way.
Nice. All right. So we're checking this tool out. I did pick this one up. I'll put a link to it. It's what size wire is this? This is big wire. 2 volt maybe, or
2/0 AWG.
Yeah. And so those pliers work for that and for the solar part of this. So that's one of the tools you need when you're doing this. There's also going to use this one. I think I picked this one up at Far Harbor Freight a long time ago. This is goes to 200 inch-pounds, which you also need to connect it down. It is a 1/4 inch drive. But anyway, so we're going to use that here too. All right, video. Let's torquing this down with this wrench.
Holy guacamole. 200 inch-pounds must be a decent amount.
There it is. Perfect.
I know the other one wasn't tightened that far, so we're going to go back and tighten the other one I just did earlier.
There it is.
I was close, though.
You were close. Really, really close.